Hello guys, this is Asutosh. Welcome to our YouTube channel Placementer. Guys, I was unable to upload videos from previous few days because my phone was in very bad situation and it got damaged. So I was somehow able to manage my WhatsApp and email, and it was just impossible for me to record any video. So I was just unable to do that. Sorry for that. But from now I will continuously upload the videos regarding some useful information regarding some job placements updates and some useful tips to crack some companies like MNCs for like TCS, Wipro, Cognizant, Infosys and all. So guys, there is also good news that I want to share, that I got placed in four different companies, and the companies is Wipro, Cognizant, Infosys and EXL Technology. I I have uploaded my interview experience for Cognizant, Wipro and Accenture, and I will upload the interview experience for EXL Technology and TCS as well. But and also of Infosys. I have given six interviews till now, and I got rejected in two of them. Like I got rejected in Accenture and TCS. I don't know why they in Accenture why I got rejected, but yeah, I know why TCS rejected me. It was a very interesting experience, so I will share all of them. Like I will share the interview experience of Infosys, EXL Technology and TCS, and rest the interview experience of Wipro, Cognizant, Accenture has been uploaded. You can watch. I will put the link in the description box. I hope most of you have been placed in some companies, but yeah, if you have not got selected in any of the company, then I think off campus will begin from January or December. I think it will begin from last of December or first week of January. So you can try in off campus as well, because there are a lot of opportunities for the IT, like IT sector people, and all IT companies are hiring in very like they are hiring very aggressively. So I think it's quite easy to crack any of the service based MNCs. It's not very hard. I will be also uploading the like how to prepare for these companies, because I faced interview of six companies and got selected in four of them. So I think I can share my experience, and I am able to uh, give you some useful tips and useful strategy, like how to prepare for these companies a very short time, because I have also prepared very a few days for these companies. So I will be uploading the videos regarding same, and I will also share my preparation strategy, like how I prepared, because I was just unable to do basic stuffs of these exams while during March April, but later after 1 month and 2 months of preparation, I think I improved myself a lot and got selected in four different organizations, and a lot to come. Okay, if my video is giving value to you, you can subscribe our YouTube channel and can also share with your friends, so that they also will be benefited. uh, that's all. You can also press the bell icon, so that when I upload the video, you will get the notification and will not miss any videos. So thanks. Please like, subscribe and share with your friends. Yeah, if you want some, like if you want some topic to be discussed, then you can comment the topic on which I should made video. You can comment it on in comment section. Thanks.